In our fast-paced and ever-demanding world, the ability to effectively organize our work is essential for success and peace of mind. When our tasks and responsibilities become overwhelming, it is easy to feel scattered, stressed, and unproductive. However, by adopting the principles of Stoic philosophy, we can cultivate a sense of order, clarity, and efficiency in our work. The importance of organizing your work. Organizing your work is more than just arranging tasks and deadlines. It is about creating a structure that allows you to focus your energy and attention on what truly matters. By organizing your work, you can reduce stress, increase productivity, improve time management, and achieve a greater sense of control over your professional life. Stoicism teaches us that by organizing our work, we create the conditions for tranquility and virtuous action. Setting clear goals. The first step in organizing your work is to set clear and meaningful goals. Stoicism emphasizes the importance of aligning our actions with our values and virtues. Take time to reflect on what truly matters to you in your work. What are your long-term objectives? What do you hope to achieve? By setting clear goals, you create a compass that guides your actions and decisions, ensuring that your work aligns with your overarching vision. Prioritizing tasks. Once you have established your goals, the next step is to prioritize tasks. Stoicism teaches us to focus on what is within our control and to distinguish between what is truly important and what is merely urgent. Assess your tasks and identify those that contribute directly to your goals and values. Prioritize these tasks, ensuring that they receive your time, energy, and attention. By prioritizing, you avoid being overwhelmed by a sea of tasks and focus on what truly matters. Breaking down tasks. Large projects or complex tasks can often feel overwhelming, leading to procrastination or a lack of clarity. Stoicism encourages us to break down tasks into smaller, manageable steps. By dividing a project into actionable tasks, you create a clear roadmap for progress. This approach allows you to focus on one task at a time, fostering a sense of accomplishment and momentum as you move forward. Creating a schedule. A well-structured schedule is a powerful tool for organizing your work. Stoicism teaches us to approach time as a valuable resource that should be used wisely. Create a schedule that includes dedicated time blocks for specific tasks, meetings, and breaks. By allocating time for each task, you create a sense of order and ensure that important work receives the attention it deserves. Remember to be flexible and allow room for unexpected changes, but always strive to stick to your schedule as much as possible. Eliminating distractions. Distractions can derail our productivity and disrupt our focus. Stoicism encourages us to cultivate discipline and self-control in the face of distractions. Identify the common distractions that hinder your work, such as social media, email notifications, or excessive multitasking. Take proactive steps to minimize or eliminate these distractions, whether it means turning off notifications, setting designated times for checking emails, or creating a dedicated workspace that is free from distractions. By setting clear goals, prioritizing tasks, breaking them down, creating a schedule, and eliminating distractions, you can establish a foundation of order, clarity, and efficiency in your work. Stoicism provides us with practical principles and insights that can guide us in organizing our work to achieve virtuous action and tranquility. Embrace the present moment. Stoicism emphasizes the importance of focusing on the present moment and immersing ourselves fully in our work. By practicing mindfulness, we can bring our attention to the task at hand, avoiding distractions and cultivating a sense of flow. Embrace the present moment and engage wholeheartedly in your work, as this allows for greater concentration and efficiency. Accept what is beyond your control. Stoicism teaches us to accept what is beyond our control and focus our efforts on what we can influence. In the realm of work organization, this means recognizing that unexpected events or changes may arise, and adapting our plans accordingly. By letting go of the desire for absolute control, we can approach our work with flexibility and adaptability, finding creative solutions when unforeseen circumstances arise. Practice Stoic time management. Stoicism offers valuable insights on time management. The concept of premeditatio malorum encourages us to mentally prepare for potential challenges or setbacks in our work. By anticipating obstacles and planning contingencies, we can minimize the impact of disruptions and maintain our focus and productivity. Additionally, Stoicism reminds us to allocate our time wisely, ensuring that we allocate sufficient time for rest, reflection, and rejuvenation. Maintain emotional equanimity. Maintaining emotional equanimity is crucial for effective work organization. Stoicism teaches us to cultivate emotional resilience and detach ourselves from external events. By practicing emotional detachment, we can approach our work with a calm and composed mindset, avoiding unnecessary stress and distractions. This emotional equanimity allows us to make clear-headed decisions and stay focused on our priorities. Practicing minimalism and simplicity. Stoicism encourages us to embrace minimalism and simplicity in our lives, including our work environment and processes. By removing unnecessary clutter, distractions, and complexities, we create a streamlined and efficient workspace. Simplifying workflows and adopting minimalist principles can enhance our work organization, allowing for greater clarity and ease in completing tasks. Reflect and learn from experience. Stoicism emphasizes the value of reflection and learning from experience. Take time to regularly reflect on your work organization strategies and practices. Identify areas for improvement and celebrate successes. By learning from past experiences, we can refine our approaches, enhance our organizational skills, and continually grow in our ability to manage our work effectively. By embracing the present moment, accepting what is beyond our control, practicing Stoic time management, maintaining emotional equanimity, practicing minimalism and simplicity, and reflecting and learning from experience, we can cultivate a more organized, efficient, and fulfilling work life. Stoicism offers valuable insights and practical principles that empower us to approach our work with wisdom, resilience, and purpose. May these Stoic perspectives guide you on your journey towards enhancing your work organization. Practicing gratitude. Stoicism encourages us to practice gratitude in all aspects of life, including our work. Take a moment each day to reflect on the things you are grateful for in your professional life. Recognize the opportunities, skills, and relationships that contribute to your work. This practice fosters a positive mindset, enhances motivation, and helps you maintain perspective amidst challenges. Cultivating virtuous action. Stoicism places great emphasis on cultivating virtue in our actions. In the realm of work organization, this means aligning our work habits and practices with virtuous principles such as discipline, integrity, and diligence. Strive to approach your work with a sense of purpose, ethical conduct, and commitment to excellence. By infusing virtue into your work organization, you create a foundation for meaningful and fulfilling professional experiences. Practicing self-discipline. Self-discipline is a cornerstone of Stoic philosophy. It involves making conscious choices and taking deliberate actions that align with our goals and values. Practice self-discipline in your work organization by setting boundaries, avoiding distractions, and adhering to your schedule and priorities. By exercising self-discipline, you cultivate inner strength, resilience, and the ability to stay focused on what truly matters. Embracing change and impermanence. Stoicism reminds us of the impermanence of all things, including our work circumstances. Embrace change as a natural part of life and work. Adaptability and flexibility are vital in navigating the ever-evolving professional landscape. Rather than resisting change, approach it with a Stoic mindset, seeking opportunities for growth and learning amidst transitions. Practicing mindfulness. Mindfulness is a powerful practice for enhancing work organization. Stoicism teaches us to be fully present in each moment, paying attention to the task at hand. Engage in mindfulness exercises such as deep breathing, body scans, or focused awareness to bring your attention to the present moment. By practicing mindfulness, you enhance your ability to concentrate, make clear decisions, and stay organized amidst distractions. Finding joy in the process. Stoicism reminds us to find joy and fulfillment in the process of our work, rather than solely focusing on the outcomes. Embrace the journey and take pleasure in the tasks at hand. Find meaning and satisfaction in the effort you put into your work, regardless of external results. By shifting your focus to the process, you cultivate a sense of contentment and fulfillment in your work organization. By practicing gratitude, cultivating virtuous action, practicing self-discipline, embracing change and impermanence, practicing mindfulness, and finding joy in the process, we can create a work environment that is organized, fulfilling, and aligned with Stoic principles. Stoicism provides us with a guiding philosophy that empowers us to approach our work with wisdom, resilience, and virtue. May these principles guide you on your journey towards enhanced work organization and a more fulfilling professional life.